Hello guys, welcome back to SaaS Ltd deals. If you are new here, make sure you subscribe to our channel to get the best lifetime deals on SaaS software. I'm back with another review and today I'm going to review Cmaps. So Cmaps is a tool that lets you take notes, but you can generate those notes using AI. All you have to do is provide a brief description about the type of notes that you want. And the best part is you can convert all the elements of the notes into mind maps. So just like this image, let me show you. So as you can see, here is an example how the mind maps are going to look like. And Cmaps is currently available on Appsumo as a lifetime deal. The regular price is $40, but at Appsumo you are getting this tool at only $19. There are already 5 reviews. All of them are 5-star reviews. Now let's see all of the plan and features. So here is the only one plan that you can buy. With this plan, you can create unlimited documents, which means you can take unlimited notes, create unlimited mind maps. You also have unlimited access to the AI assistant. So if you want to buy Cmaps on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. Also, if you're new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. Watch the full video till the end to know how. Now let's go to the dashboard of Cmaps. So here's the dashboard, and in order to take your notes or create the mind maps, you have to click on this new document. But before I do that, let me show you some mind maps that are already created with Cmaps. So let's go to these templates, and here are some of the mind maps that are created using this tool. For example, let's open this traveling. So here is the mind map. If I zoom out, you can see it properly. So the person who has created this mind map, he has uploaded a background image, this map image, and then he has added this point. So Paris, Madrid, Porto, all of these points. Let's see another. Let's see this Marvel heroes. So as you can see, here is another mind map. So on the Avengers, these are the people that are connected with Avengers. These are the people that are connected with Marvel heroes. And then you also have a subcategory which is X-Men. And these 3 are the people that are associated with X-Men. And then we also have this to-do list mind map. So here is that. So these round figures are added by the user, but the background that you are seeing, this to-do list, this is an image. So the person has uploaded this image and then added these points, these round figures. So now let's see how you can create your own mind map. So make sure you are on this My Map section and then click on New Document. Now you have to provide a document name. And when you are providing the document name, make sure you provide a relevant document name. So if you provide a relevant title, the AI can take idea from that title in order to generate a relevant note or round figures. You can also create one from scratch, but I'm going to use this AI. So for example, I want a content writing workflow. And as you can see, since I selected AI, so the nodes and the edges, which means all of those round figures are going to be created automatically based on this title. So click on create. Okay, so I changed the prompt a bit. So the title was content writing workflow, but I changed it to content writing to-do list and then I regenerated. So here is the mind map that we have got. So here is content writing. So for content writing, we need audience analysis, research, and SEO. And on audience analysis, there is topic selection. And then we also have research. And with research as well as SEO, writing is connected. With writing, editing is connected. So this is how the mind map is going to look like. As you can see, this is an amazing mind map. I have to say that. And you can obviously open any of these nodes. For example, I want to open this SEO. And once you open the node, you can also see more details about that node. So for this SEO node, here is the details. You can also edit this content. So now you can write whatever you want. You can also ask the AI assistant to write something else or add something more. You can add a link or image or video on this section. There are also a lot of text formatting options. And then you can also see the relations of this SEO node. So this SEO node is connected with content writing. And it is also connected to writing. So if I go back, as you can see, it is connected to writing and also content writing. So this is what the relations mean. You can also add it to another node. For example, I want to add it to research. So let's click on this and click on link. And as you can see, it is now also connected to research. So let's see it on the map. So as you can see, now it is connected to research. And then there is also this appearance section. So you can add a background image for this node. Let me add one. So as you can see, I have added this image. You can also remove this image. You can change the background color for this node. And since I added this image, now it is going to appear on this node. As you can see, if I zoom in, you can see the image more clearly. So just like this node, you can also modify or adjust the settings for other nodes. For example, I want to edit this topic selection node. So all I have to do is click on this. I can edit the content. I can generate the content using AI. And for editing, here are all of the editing options. You can add link, image, videos. You can change the relations. So this topic selection is connected to content writing, content planning, and audience analysis. You can also link it to another if you want. You can also change its appearance. And on the top left side, there are also some other editing options. So if you click on this plus icon, you can add another node, which means these round figures. For example, I want to add a node called take note and then click on add. So as you can see, now this node has been created. You can now move it wherever you want. Now, what if you want to connect it with the existing nodes with all of these nodes? For example, I want to connect it to this writing. So for that, I have to first click on this connect nodes and make sure it is marked as yellow. Now click on this and connect it to whatever node you want. As you can see, now it has been connected. So this way you can connect any of these nodes with other nodes. All you have to do is select these connect nodes and then you can connect whatever you want. There is also this selector. There is this canvas settings. So on this canvas settings, you can add a background image on this mind map section. You can also change the background color. So it is set to white. You can, for example, I want to change it to this color or this color. So as you can see, now the background color is changing. You can also add a background image. Let me show you that. So click on add image. So here is the image that I uploaded. So as you can see, here is the image. And obviously you can make it bigger. So this way you can resize this image to make it bigger and fit on this area. And then there are also some other options. So you can delete a particular element. For example, if I select this content writing, now I can delete this element. There are also redo and undo options. Overall, I think Cmaps is an excellent tool that lets you create mind maps and you do not have to add all of the nodes, all of the round figures by yourself. You can simply leave that task to the AI. All you have to do is provide the description about the type of mind map that you want, and then the AI is going to create a full mind map with certain content. And there are a lot of customization options in order to make sure you get exactly the mind map that you're looking for. So if you want to buy Cmaps on a lifetime deal from Appsumo, make sure you check the link in the description below. With this tool, you are going to get all of these features at only $19 of price. This is a one-time single payment. So if you are new to Appsumo, you can get 10% off your first purchase. For that, go to the link in the description. And once you enter the link, you are going to get a pop-up like this. And on this box, you have to provide your email. Then click on unlock my 10%. And then you will get a link in your email. Go to that link and this way you can get 10%. You have to use it from Appsumo credits gift. And this 10% discount is only for new customers. You can also join our SaaS discussion group on Facebook to get latest updates on SaaS software, exciting discounts, and attractive giveaways just like this.